IT servicer, service provider, provide a service to the customers. Okay, here's a small drawing. First of all, put it like this. So this is an organization. Okay, so later the small changes will be there later, but try to understand in this point. Okay, this is a organization, means it is a service provider. It provide any service, so whether it is software service, networking related service, cloud related service, infrastructure services, storage services, okay, internet services, the service provider. Okay, so what service provider will do? Provide a service to the customers. So you can use the word either it is a customer or a client or a user. Okay, put a normal name, customer. Okay, so you can use customer word or a client word or a user. Okay, okay. So whatever it is, so it's a customer or a client or a user. So what you are doing, you are providing a certain service. I put a arrow, so that is providing a service to the customer. So you are providing service. Now service is okay, like for example, it is related to web services, or maybe a cloud services, or maybe database services, or internet services. So is getting a service. Now this customer got certain issue, something your services where there is not getting. For example, I'm not getting internet, or maybe I'm unable to access the server, or maybe my cloud deployed application is not working, or maybe my Microsoft Office is not working. Okay, so this is customer is getting an issue. Then what he will do? It is a thing, right? And or maybe a customer want to know about some information, or maybe he want a change of certain services. Okay, or a certain service challenge is there. So what they will do, they will try to reach the service desk. They try to reach the service desk. Later I will take this one only. Will reach the service desk. Of course, service desk, it is just a term, but in the service desk there is a lot of different things are there. For example, different levels are there on a service desk. Different technologies support is there in the service desk. Okay, so whatsoever it is, if customer got any issues, or maybe requirement is there, certain information requirement is there, some change of services, he will try to reach the service desk. Okay, what service desk will do? Service desk will ask certain questions. Service desk will ask some questions to the service desk, to the customer. What is his requirements? What is his request? What is his issues? Knowing about what is customer is required, what kind of support he required, we should understand, and we put it in a ticket. Put it in a ticket. So this ticket contains information about the customer, and customer query means either it is an issue about issue, or it can be a okay. It can be a request, it can be a inquiry, it can be a issue reporting. So they will put it under server ticket. So this ticket is handled by the person in the service desk, or related to this issue. So related to that requirements or a issue, it will be forwarded to a separate team. So there is several teams are there. Some are like a networking related, some are server related or cloud related. Okay, okay. So different expert level of teams are there, technology based kind of stuff. This ticket is forward to this team. What team will do? Team is investigate. Even a team is also the part of service desk only, guys, not a separate team. Okay. So I'm a server engineer. I'm a part of service desk. I will whatever the things come to service desk, it will come to me as per my level, my domain knowledge. Okay. Basic service desk, guys. Service desk level 0 and level 1 is a common knowledge. Means you should understand a different type of issues, different type of kind of stuff. Common. But L2 level is a separate domain knowledge. I am belongs to server. I should get a to me as a only server related issue. Customer don't know issue is related to server or a network or a some application related issue. Customer don't know. Who should understand customer issue? Service desk person. Initial service desk person should understand. Help desk person. Service desk or a help desk person. Those are in a level 0, level 1 position. So they will understand customer related issues. Sometimes as per their level and knowledge, so the service desk can able to give a solution to the customer. And of course, they will create a ticket. Either the ticket is assigned to the same person or to the other person, other the relevant based on the issue, the relevant team member or a team, it will be assigned. They will investigate the person who is belongs to that ticket related person who got the ticket. So he will see the what is the content in the ticket. Okay, so they will try to give a support to the customer. So once customer is resolved, problem is issue is resolved. Okay, so once issue is solved. Okay, I didn't get it. Okay, once issue is resolved, so the service desk will close the ticket. Will close the ticket. Ticket will be closed. Okay, so this is what happens at an organization. But customer related, I will tell, guys, story is there, small story only, but I will tell that story. So again, service provider provide a service to the customers. Provide a service. What it is? Service provider provide service provider provide to the customer. Normally the word is customer, but you can call him as a client or a user, which one you want. Provide a service to the customer. What is the service? We don't know. So just provide a service to the customer. If customer need information, okay, or he want to, he need a service request, or something change, or want to report an issue, okay, customer need information or a certain service request or a change, advice, I want to report an issue. Issue, the customer contact service desk or contacts service desk. Service desk, person is there, service desk, understand our requirements or an issue, and it will create a ticket. And ticket the concerning team sending team, condition consent team or self. Once customer solve it, issue is resolved, or maybe whatever he got it, he will get. Okay, once the customer got service, means got service back, or a inquiry, you got information or a request fulfilled or resolved service desk the ticket. Okay, so there is 3 points. One is service provider provided service. So I am getting a service, internet service is there, or maybe application services. This is Google Docs services there, and Office 365 services. So I am getting a service. Okay, I am a single user. So I will tell about a single user, organization wise users also. So we'll see that one. If a customer need an information or a service request or a change or a report an issue, they contact the customer contacts service desk. Okay, because of why we should contact service desk, directly go to that person, right? Who is going to resolve my issue, directly server engineer or network engineer, because of customer don't know to whom he has to approach, who is the person is going to support me. I don't know, right? So who is the person who is working on network related? And even I don't know whether it is a network related or server related or any other related. So service desk person will understand the customer requirement or an issue. Okay, so then he will create a ticket and assign a ticket to the concerned team or a group or to itself. Some places they use a group word also, group or a to itself or itself. Okay, depends upon the service desk. Once customer got an information, request fulfillment means is fulfilled with this request, you got information, he resolved within issues or he resolved within issues, the service desk close the ticket. Okay, so like this is the what happens at a service desk, guys. Understand this point, guys? What I told?
Yes, sir. Well,
Okay. Here it is. What is ticket? Then I will explain about a customers. So I said about a ticket, but what is the ticket? So it's a big one. Okay, what is a ticket? So I have taken this information from this BMC remedy, guys. This is also I'm trying to share you. Okay, 16, right? Yes. Compulsory read what is the content in it. It contains about a ticket, incident, problem, service request. These are the things what we are doing in our work. And this is a BMC remedy helix demo session, which is I discussed it in a one service desk class. Okay, CTS service desk class. Okay, about that one I will explain again. So first of all, what is a ticket? All service desk events start with a ticket. A ticket is a historical document. Okay, anything comes to the service desk, guys. First, we will create a ticket. Anything comes to the service desk, first we should create a ticket. A ticket is a historical document that details a service event, such as an incident, problem, or a service request. Okay, what is the service ticket contains? It is about a user request, service request, or maybe reporting an issue, right? So issue related information is in the ticket. Ticket governs and controls how service event is proceed. They are used to route events between different resources for resolutions. Okay. So this ticket will tell you how to proceed with a problem, who is the customer, what is an issue, what are the things we have done, or maybe there is a multiple things happens. So then maybe it is, has to be concerned by different people. So you have to route between different departments to know what exactly happened for solving this customer requirement. Okay, so that is entire information also available in the ticket. They record all relevant information about a request, including user wrote. What is user told about an issue? This is about a user note. And the technician note. So what is the team? The technical team is done. So their observations or their troubleshooting things will be written in the note. And workflow information, how the ticket should be handled, who should handle the ticket, how should be handled, okay, what are the things are in a concern, how to proceed to the solution kind of stuff. And ticket resolution, how you resolve an issues, how it is completed, and critical processing information. Okay. Next, ticket can document as a single incident as a service or a service request. One ticket is mentioning is there is a ticket. The ticket is It is either the ticket is belongs to incident, means an issue is occurred, that is an incident. Okay, or a ticket is can be belongs to a service request. I am there, I got my problem, so my internet is not working. I given a complaint to service desk. So they will create a ticket. So the ticket contains a incident report. What is that? I got a internet issue, that is in the incident report. For example, I request, like I am getting a 50 Mbps internet, I want a 100 Mbps internet. It is a service request. I want a 100 Mbps request. Or I want a VPN access. I ask my company Avantis, then I want a VPN access. I want a printer access. This all comes under service request. So what is the content in the ticket? Ticket is telling about this is a service request and this is a request. And they can also group together and
Sir,
control document several instance as a whole. Yeah, tell me.
sir, for generating ticket, we have to always use email, or sometime we have to use some another platform.
Yeah, that part also there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that is this. How to reach service desk. It means how service desk receive. The point is how service desk receive information. Once it is receive information, service desk people will create a ticket. Okay. So you should know
Okay, sir.
what is happened. Someone has to reach, right? Some way it has to be reached to you. Then only you can able to create a ticket. For ticketing, there is a ticketing softwares are available. Sometimes they will through the mails, depends upon the organization. Okay. Self-help portals
Okay,
are
sir.
available in a certain organization. Self-help portals. You go to Amazon, Amazon mobile application having a direct supporting option will be there in Amazon. Okay, different monitoring tools. Through monitoring tools also you will get it. We'll go back to once here about a ticket. Ticket can a document. It's like means there is a ticket. Meaning is it can be about a incident. Means it is about certain issues occur. So that is based on that issue. This ticket is created. Or maybe a service request is generated from user. So it can be the ticket is belongs to that one also. Also, this can be also so multiple tickets we can group together and it is represent a single column. So multiple incidents are grouped together and these incidents are grouped together as a one single column. So a ticket is also is a combination of multiple tickets and representing it is a column. Okay, of course, incident, column, service request, event, alerts. These are all we are going to discuss anyway. So this is the first point. The ticket is a backbone of your service desk. It is used for every single service item that hits the service desk. Okay, it is a backbone of your service desk. What are the things come to the service desk? It will create a ticket. Sometimes there is a ticketing softwares are there, help desk softwares or service desk softwares. You know what they will do? Any automated alerts generators are there, like from monitoring tools, even any outrages occur, any incident is occur. So this alerting system will connect to the service desk software tools and automatically it will create a ticket. That is automation related process. Guys, I said no. This is a one of the BMC remedy is one of the very big organization, and they will provide ITSM solutions also, and lot of solutions are there. This I'm talking in ITSM. So already I shared this link. So this is telling you about what is ticket, okay, what is incident, like this. That is incident. What is problem? What is service request? That's it. Okay. This is tips for all together. What is ticket? What is incident? What is problem? And what is the simple picture? So this is I'm adding, but already given a link. So you have a time tomorrow, so then better to study from it. Next one is I'm telling a ticket types. So depends upon organization to organization, guys. The tickets type of tickets are different. Just I'm telling as we seen in a service, fresh services in our organization. So that is what I'm trying to tell few tickets that too mainly three type of tickets. NC, SR, and ALT ticket. Tomorrow no class. Tomorrow no class. Okay. Actually, our Hyderabad sir told us because it's request from HCL, they need a urgent basis. Guys, your interview also very short term, so compulsory preparation is important every day. Okay, so but tomorrow is a no class, but so you have a 2 weeks of training, right? So next week, so we'll see how much we can complete. 2 weeks means next week and another week. 2 weeks you will get it till Tuesday, so mostly. So this is a incident ticket. Incident ticket is meaning is any issue is occur, it is an incident only. Okay, problem will come from the incidents only. So it's multiple incidents grouped together as a single problem. So that's keep in mind. SR means service request. For example, I want a VPN connection. I ask my service desk team, I want a VPN connection. No, when I went to our office for first time, then yesterday also it is happened. I will tell one of our trainer means one of the staff member actually want a installation of Office 365 in the laptop. So what they will do, they will approach the service desk and request to for installation. So who will do it? That service desk person is doing that one. So service request. For example, I forget my email ID password. Service request. I am unable to access mail communication. My mail communication is down. Service request. Like that. Okay. Sorry. Mail communication is down. I am unable to send or receive a mail. Incident. I forget my mail ID password. Service request. Okay. I want to access the printer. Service request. Printer is not working. Incident. Alert. Alert. For example, you got some problem means a remote server is down. So you are in a service desk, so you will receive an alert and automatically a ticket will be created based on that alert issue. Okay. What is an alert? It is a kind of notification. Any warnings or errors occurs at your infrastructure or at your services, okay, while you are providing services or SLAs. Okay. So this alerting system will send a notification to the services person. Services person will create a ticket and follow up the ticket. First of all, you have to create a ticket and follow up the ticket. Either you will resolve an issue, or maybe there is a concerning team, that's a relevant team. You once you forward to them the ticket, so they will try to complete the ticket. Guys, understand the type of tickets?
Yes, sir.
The next one is customer. So I will try to finish up to this one only. So there is a small part is there, this part. So just I will give you names. Day after tomorrow, Monday, I will explain these events, alerts, and everything in depth. No. Okay. Monday I will explain that event and alert. Today I will complete this thing. Okay. Originally, I have to start with what is service desk. That is become a more pretty straightforward type, and of course, when we want a pretty straightforward, but a lot of people confuse when they hear service desk means like we lost our life at service desk part. Okay. No, nothing kind, guys. Guys, first one is the customer. Who is the customer? A person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business. This is a general one. Next one is internal type of customers. The customers are actually two types, internal customers and external customers. Okay, customers are two types, internal customers and external customers. I added this additional customer part, that is a public type customers. This is the one I added. Okay. First of all, I explained this diagram, right? So then the same way I want to draw something here for internal and external customers. So both are, I will put it in a one place on. Okay. This Google should a little improvement is required, mainly color related. Okay, guys, this is the service provider. I think this box size is enough. This is some company organization. For example, I'm telling Latif Tech Solutions. Okay. This is a Latif Tech Solutions organization. I went to office. So, for example, I got certain issue. I'm just a user. I'm a user. I got certain issue. Like I'm not getting internet, or I'm unable to send a mail, or maybe I need a printer access. Okay, or maybe I need to change my password. Okay, or maybe I need a virtual machine in the cloud, like a EC2 instance is required. Okay, anyway, I'm the in this. So what I have to do, I approach the service desk. I approach the service desk. Okay, what service desk will do? So when I reach service desk, what service desk will do? Service desk will create a ticket. So they will understand what is the customer requirement, and they will try to understand, they will create a ticket as per the customer. Okay, this ticket will be forward to the concerning team. Okay, either they will assign to themselves or they will send to the team or a group, the concerning department. Okay, this team is looking at what is the your issues, Either if they will come to your premises or maybe they resolve from their location. Okay. Once issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed. Okay. So this type of user or a customer, we call it as a internal customer. Okay. Who is this guy? Internal customer means the user and the service desk and the supporting team. Everybody is working in the same organization. Same organization. So that's it's a internal customers. Okay. Guys, this is some other company. For example, ABC Solutions. Some ABC Solutions. IT or non-IT department. So they need a certain support from our organization. Maybe it is infrastructure related or software related, okay, or a network related. So this organization required a service from our organization. So what we are saying, we are providing a service to the customer and we are giving an agreement that is called a SLA, service level agreement. Okay, so this thing, like any issues occur, we're going to fix it immediately. 100% uptime we are running as services. Okay, so anytime, anywhere, you just approach our service desk, so then we'll resolve your issues. You want any information, we'll provide it immediately. So that like that. So we'll agree a SLA for a providing service. Of course, this company is getting a service from our organization. Okay, so this is a client. Client organization, so is we are providing a service. Now, if this organization got any issues, what they will do? They will approach the service desk. They will approach the service desk. They will approach the service desk. Service desk again understand what is the client requirements, okay, and create a ticket according to it and forward this ticket to the team. What is team will do? They will approach to the this client either physically or remotely. They'll approach the service desk and try to resolve the issues. Try to resolve the issues. Once issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed. The ticket will be closed. Okay, guys, this type of customers, we call it as a external customer. It's not a part of our organization. What is internal customer? A customer is a part of our organization. What is external customer is a not part of our organization. And in this scenario, it is a another organization. Okay, generally we call them as a clients. Okay. Guys, understand this part? I didn't write. I have put both the things,
Yes, sir.
internal
Yes, sir.
and external. Yeah, very good. I put both internal and external in the same space. Okay. So I will put a external like public kind of stuff separately. There is a reason why, because of one company, both all are I put it, so you may get confused because of so it's one company and we are putting everything in on it. So this is a service provider again, Latif Tech Solutions. It can be like anything, like internet service provider or anything. So is providing service to a customer. Is providing a service to the customer. Now any issues occur, what customer will do? Try to approach your service desk for a support. Okay, please try to reach your service desk. Okay, what service desk will do? Will create a ticket. And this ticket either they will assign to themselves or send to the particular team or a group. This team will understand what is the request and give the support to the customer and try to resolve the issues either by going to customer premises or maybe um, remotely. Once issue is resolved, service desk close the ticket. So this is guy is also a external customer. He is also a external customer but public. Because why it is called, I said a public, because it's not belongs to any organization. Individual user. I'm using internet from Airtel. I'm an individual user. I'm using a Geo internet as an individual user. Okay. I'm using a Google Docs as an individual user. I'm using Gmail as an individual user. I'm using a Office 365 as an organization. From my organization, I can able to access Office 365 because it's a cloud-based service which is provided by Microsoft, taken by 70s, given to me. Okay, so that is organization wise. This is came with a large part, but this is very small. Okay, internal customers and external customers. Here, small each one. I explained what is the internal customers. It is both are belongs to same organization. Okay, for example, I want to connect Wi-Fi, or maybe I'm unable to get a mail, or maybe my system is down. How to connect to the service desk? I need certain installation. I need to contact service desk. The service desk person support to get connected. I am belongs to same organization. Here it is. Office 365 is taken by our organization. We are external customers or clients. Okay, we are getting a service from Microsoft. Any issues occur, we should reach the service desk. Airtel service provider. Airtel service provider is a internet service provider. I am getting a service from Airtel. Any issues occur, I have to approach the Airtel. Okay, so I am the individual person, which is I am not belongs to same organization or any other organization. I am become a customer to this Airtel as a individual user. Okay, same way you are using Gmail, YouTube, or anything you are using. Last one, which is actually we should tell about in a first. Yes, are you okay up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is about a service desk. So also you can try any other resources if you like it. So to get a more information. So what is a service desk? And what is the service desk analyst will do? These are the more important questions. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Okay, the customer don't know how to reach a concerning person, the concerning person who is can able to resolve my issues. So what I have to do, I have to contact a service desk. Service desk will coordinate with the IT employees. So then we can able to find a solution for our problem. So they knows which person, which team is working on this particular kind of issues or particular kind of technology kind of stuff. Okay. Service desks give initial support to the customers, understand customer issues or requirement, provide information to the customers, escalating issues, managing tickets like creating a ticket, raising the tickets, escalating the tickets, monitoring the ticket status, closures and surveys also. This is service desk part. Satisfy both customer needs and IT's service provider object. Satisfying customer is okay, but what about the IT provider object or IT service provider object? Is to provide a service continuously to the customers. That is object. And also we should deal with alerts, event, incidents, problems, service request, kind of stuff. That wording is also there. And also we need to monitoring means monitoring infrastructures, devices, applications is also part of service desk. We'll receive a different type of alerts. Event information help you to get to know issues occur and how to resolve the issues also. SLA, OLA, UC, mainly important is SLA, service level agreement, is a contract between service provider and the customer. Okay, what is a service desk? It is single intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT services. Very simple, guys. What is service desk? Single point of contact. Single point of contact, SPOC, which is in between customers or clients and the IT employees. Okay. Service desk will understand customer requirements. You should understand customer requirements. You should clearly note what it is they are telling and their requirements, issues. You should take it. Issue means any problem they are facing, issue. Requirements, they are querying any certain information or change of services. So understand what is their requirement or an issues, and support to the customers, provide a proper information to the customer, escalate the issues, which is okay, and managing the tickets, raising the tickets, monitoring tickets, status surveys kind of stuff also. Satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objectives. IT provider objectives. Okay. What is a service desk person will do? What is the service desk analysis to do? Service desk means it is a name, but person who is working in the service desk is a service desk analyst. It provided technical support to the customers and an employees. In some companies, you handle a technology duties such as software installations, troubleshooting, maintenance of computer health. Just for an example only, guys. You respond to the phone calls, emails, live chats, and other communication. Already I told this is the first one, which is service desk, help desk related top 25 questions directly. Non-technical questions only, just normal questions. IT Google.com. Sorry, it's about a service desk. Same link only can find it. Another service desk levels also there. We have a little. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. Guys, service desk having a different levels. Okay, it is called as support levels. So we are calling it as a support levels. Okay, so you know this is also like we put a tier 0, tier 1 kind of stuff, but there is a problem in this thing. Mhm. Okay, tier 0, it is a help desk type, means self-help type, means they will provide a one portal. So go to the portal and give all your information. Okay, so or maybe they will provide an email ID or IVR. You call to the support, right? We'll get IVR. So what is your requirements in generally will gather by tier 0. So it is a self-help portals, or it can be a direct interact with the customer care to find what is your requirements. Okay, once the service desk person or through the service desk software, once we understand what is the service desk, what happened to this? Okay, what is the tier 2? Tier 2 is a basic help desk solutions. Okay, so they will, if a issue is directly report to the tier 1, so they will try to understand what is the tier 2 issue, and okay, so they will try. So if it is the issue is the level of level 1, so they will try to resolve the issues, and also they will take care of service desk. The issue is resolved, issue is closed, ticket is created, or some installation related, depends upon their organization, project, and roles and responsibility based on that particular role in the project. Level 2, guys, level 2 is in-depth technical knowledge. People should understand different issues on this in the same kind of technology. Like I'm a level 2 network engineer. Means networking related issues only I will handle. Okay, I am having a good technical knowledge, depth knowledge of a technical depth knowledge of a part. Okay, so on a networking, like each and every domain, the in-depth knowledge people work on a level 2 to resolve the issues. Okay, level 3 is a expert in product and service support. Okay, there are product support is there. Okay, service support is a expert knowledge is there. So level 4 means tier 4 outside support for a problems not supported by organization, means so it's an individual level person is like work from for a 3-4 organizations, any issues occur, so it will supported by, so this person will work like that. So it's a outside consultant type. Level 4 is a so kind of consultant. Okay, these are the different service desk levels. This table is there, actually it is a table which is not visible to us. So there's some way it can be visible, but I don't know why it is not visible. No, we'll try this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a good one. Finally, I got the table. Okay. Mm. This part I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow means on Monday. Okay. So remaining part, like there is a event, let incident, workaround, problem, change, service request. This I will explain on Monday. Okay, so this is up to today explanation. It is already 6:08. That's why, and already some people are already sleeping. I can understand. No one is giving any small sound also.
No, sir.
Okay. Mute. Just last this point I will tell. Service level agreement. Service level agreement. So this is the service provider and he is the client or a customer. Okay, he is a service provider and he is a customer or a client person. They agree to provide a service. Yeah, Monday also same timing, guys. Afternoon only 3 o'clock. 3. Okay. Mostly it is 3, around 3. Any changes like a 3 or 3:15 or 3:30, I will inform. Mostly it is on 3 o'clock. Because usually Monday is the version test in the physical batch happens. So so we are service provider providing a service and he is agreeing, right? We are providing a service to you, and any issues occur, any information is required, we're going to provide a service like a 24/7 of service, 100% of uptime, 0% downtime, 24/7 support, 100% uptime, 0% downtime. Okay, so like this, we are agreeing to with the customer. So what services we are providing. So that we call it as a SLA. It is in between. SLA is in between service provider and the customer. Okay. Next one is OLA. In organizations we have a BU, business units. Okay, means it's a person who will go and get the project for our organizations. He'll go to the clients, different clients like this. This is a client also, right? This is also a client. It is a customer or a client. Okay, like this client. You'll get the client information or client requirements, finding a new clients and their requirements. Okay, we gather that information. He is agreeing to client what is the client required. He is agreeing to provide that one. That is SLA already I told. And there is a contract between this to internal employees. Internal IT means the business unit and the employees both are belongs to same organization only. They are agreeing to a operational level agreement. So that is make sure this project completed on time. What is their requirements? Okay. So and supporting. Okay, what are we are able to provide? What is the BU is agreed with the client that we should fulfill as a IT employee. So both are belongs to same organization and the signed contract between them is called a OLA, operational level agreement. Next one is we have different vendors. The vendor is also a service provider. Okay, so this is a vendor. Vendor means I want a laptops. I want a operating system. I want a internet connectivity. I want a switches. So where I will get it? So the supplier or a vendors. Okay. So we are agreeing the service provider and a vendor, not service provider exactly, between an organization and a vendor of that organization agreeing to get a service like this, that is UC. It is called a UC. Between vendor and our organization is a underpinning contract, UC. Within the organization, OLA. With an organization, with a client or a customer, we are agreeing that is SLA, service level agreement. Okay, guys, up to here. These things, each one I'm going to explain tomorrow. Tomorrow means next class on Monday. So class is on again Monday. So most possible it is 3 o'clock only, 3 p.m. Okay, if any changes, I will tell, but generally it is 3 p.m. Okay, that's it for today, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.